She walks the golden mile, Gucci style, but no laws make her drag. She's a murder doll, sipping growls like a monkey on her back, yeah. She's got perfect skin, full of sin. She's freaking it back to back, yeah. She's got latest thing with the latest bling. She's thinking it good now. She will start a revolution from going room to room. She's a perfect institution from going room to room. Ah, there's no substitute for the evil that man do. She's that spoiled little rich bitch going bad, and that is good. She's got it going on, Louis Vuitton, rubies around her neck. She's the latest thing with the latest bling. Her diamonds fill the cracks off. She's got rubber gloves, golden cuffs. She is where it's at. She likes Gwen and Pink, Paris in spring, and 9-inch nails down. She will start a revolution for going room to room. She's a perfect institution for going room to room. Ah, there's no substitute for the evil that man do. She's daddy's spoiled little rich bitch gone bad, and that is good. Do you like it like this, boys? Or do you like it like that? Do you like it like this, boys? Or do you like it like that? Do you like it like this, boys? Or do you like it like that? Do you like it like this, boys? Or do you like it like that? She will start a revolution for going room to room. She's a perfect institution. She's going room to room. Ah, there's no substitute for the evil that man do. She's daddy's spoiled little rich bitch going bad. She's going room to room. She will start a revolution. She's going room to room. She's a perfect institution for going room to room. Oh, there's no substitute for the evil that man do. She's daddy's spoiled little rich bitch going bad. She's going room to room. Stumbling down the stairs with a blur in my eyes. My head's in a maze at a bottle full of lies. Cars are rushing down the street. Cranky mailman, take a seat. The first one always tastes like shit. Gotta take it bit by bit. Take it bit by bit. A lifetime and I saw you go. You said you'll always stay. A lifetime and I saw you go. Things get out of hand. The best is still to come, you said, while leaving me alone instead. After all, when times get bad, I believe in, yeah, I believe in. Cranky mailman, just take a seat. How cranky mailman, just listen to me. Cranky mailman, you rescue me. Oh, cranky mailman, deliver, deliver, deliver it to me. Oh, just deliver it to me. different, my friend, so much harder since you went. Waking up, it's getting harder now. Still wondering why and how. Loving you with the backup mind. You and me, we still do fine. The best is still to come, you said. Then again, things got real bad. Oh, things got real bad. Oh yeah. Oh, cranky mailman, just take our seat. Help, cranky mailman, just listen to me. Yeah, cranky mailman, just rescue me. Well, cranky mailman, just listen, listen to me. Well, ooh, you listen to me. Hey, just listen to me. Oh, just cranky mailman, ooh, you listen to me. Oh, cranky mailman, just take a seat. Oh, cranky mailman, you listen to me. Well, cranky mailman, just rescue me. Oh, cranky mailman, deliver it to me. Just deliver it to me. 'Cause we're rushing down the street. The mailman never took a seat. The first one always tasted like shit. Gotta take it. You said, what's your cell phone, baby, so I can call you sometime? Would you like that, maybe, to spend some time? You call me alright in the middle of that night. It's been 49 days and 50 sleepless nights. So go if you mind. Bring on a heartbreak till I'm crying, and all I see is devastation. The perfect situation. You said, who's your girlfriend, baby? Can we call her sometime? Would you like that, maybe? She's looking so fine. It kept me bawling all night. Hell, I was dying alright. Should have seen it coming from the very first night. So go if you like. Bring on a heartbreak till I'm crying, and all I see is devastation. The perfect situation. Love will make you weep. Pray your soul to keep. Love will make you bleed. Just pray your soul to keep. Oh, you broke the both of us. Yeah. The perfect situation. Perfect situation. Stumbling down the stairs with a blur in my eyes. My head's in a maze at a bottle full of lies. Cars are rushing down the streets, cranky mailman, take a seat. First one always thinks like shit, gotta take it bit by bit. Take it bit by bit. A lifetime and I saw you go. You said you'll always stay. A lifetime and I saw you go. Things get out of hand. The best is still to come, you said, by leaving me alone instead. After all, when times get bad, I believe in. Oh, I still believe in. Cranky mailman, just take a seat. How cranky mailman, just listen to me. Oh, cranky mailman, just rescue me. Oh, cranky mailman, deliver it right to me. He's in love with me. Hey. It seems so different, my friend, so much harder. When you waking up, it's getting harder now. Still wondering why and how. Loving you with a backup mind. You and me, we still do fine. The best is still to come, you said. But then again, yeah, things get bad. Ha. Things got real bad. Real bad. How cranky mailman, just take a seat. How cranky mailman, you listen to me. Yeah, cranky mailman, just rescue me. Oh, cranky mailman, deliver it right to me. Just deliver it right to me. He's so in love with me. Yeah, he's so in love with me. Yeah, cranky mailman, just take a seat. How cranky mailman, just listen to me. Well, cranky mailman, just rescue me. How cranky mailman, you believe, you're right down to me. Give it right down to me. Cars were rushing down the street. The mailman never took a seat. I'm always taste like shit, but I took it.